So just as waste and debris can be the fuel of a fire on a construction site, electrical equipment can become an ignition source for that fire. Because of that, NFPA 241 provides some requirements for electrical equipment on a construction site. So if we take a look below, Chapter 6, 6.1 covers electrical, and there's three main things I want to talk about. The first one is that making sure that all the electrical wiring and equipment is all in accordance with NFPA 70, which is the National Electrical Code. Then we need to make sure that all of our devices and cords are all free of damage and in safe condition. If we determine that it's not in safe condition anymore, we need to take it out of service until we make it safe or replace it with something that is safe. If we've got temporary wiring in place, we need to make sure it's all coming out of an approved power outlet or a panel board. So all of that needs to be approved. We can't just be running wires everywhere. We need to be doing that in an approved manner. And then finally, if we've got temporary lighting, specifically if it's going to be lighting that's creating heat, we need to make sure that we've got guards in place to protect against potential accidental contact. That's not as common now with more LEDs, but we still want to make sure we're protecting those from damage, taking them out of service if they do get damaged, doing that in a proper manner. Now, let me know, how do you guys inspect your electrical equipment on a construction site? Especially when you've got different contractors coming in and out with their own equipment. How does that come into play? If you're interested in learning more about construction fire safety, there's a link below with a bunch of resources from NFPA on construction fire safety, and I highly recommend you check that out. Thank you.